sitting on the ball and one of you. Yeah. Maybe okay. Bring your left knee behind the back. Continue doing what you were doing. Breathe. Wow. Okay. Pretty crazy. 1, 2, 3. Behind the scenes. Alright. You said why. I think you guys both on frame. And 1, 2, 3. Irina, you're serious? Julian.
Hold it! Hi, I'm Jillian. And I'm Irina. Hi, I'm Jillian, and I'm a yoga teacher.
And I'm Irina, and I'm a personal trainer. And together, we come together to bring you Yoga Booty.
Yoga Booty! Yoga Booty! Boo 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 booty! Which is a fabulous fusion of boot camp and yoga.
We're gonna slap your butt a little bit. It's okay. You'll like it.
At the end of the day, it's a great time, it's a great workout class.
Hi, my name is Julia. I've been going to Yoga Booty for 2 months now. For me, it's the perfect form of workout. So I just started Yoga Booty. It's an all-around workout and it still gave me such hard cardio, even though I run all the time. So I suggest anyone who wants to get toned and in shape should definitely join Yoga Booty.
Irina and Jill really come together as a great team, and I think they've created a great environment to work out in. It's a lot of fun, there's music, great people.
Makes me feel very strong inside, and the results show on the outside.
The results you see and how fast you see them are amazing. The body gets toned, lean.